Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. If you want to change the straps or the wristband on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. And to do it, pick up your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that above the straps, come on, focus camera, please. Okay, above the straps you have button right here, above the one strap and the second strap. And to remove the straps you need to press and hold this button, and while holding the button you need to move the strap either to the left or right, basically slide it out. So, like I said before, press the button and then slide out the strap, like this. Sometimes it's a little bit of a struggle, but usually it comes off easy, like that. So that's how you remove the straps. And here we have the watch without straps, looks like this, and here we have the straps. And to put on the new straps, simply pick up your watch and slide in the strap from one of the sides. And when you hear the click, it means that the strap basically clicked in and it will hold. One thing to mention though, when you're sliding in the strap, make sure that the shiny pin right here is facing the back of the watch, so it can clip into the button right here, like this. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.